Hi guys, and welcome in this trading analytics project. In this project, we are going to analyze the evolution of the different startups into the New York Stock Exchange. As you may be aware, technology is disrupting more and more industries every day. And in this challenge, we are going to compare 4 different shares in order to be able to analyze which one of them is the most profitable through different financial indicators. And in a second time, we will analyze which one of them have the brightest futures, which one of them have the best trends for the future. Is it Netflix? Is it Snapchat? Is it Twitter or is it Uber? And as well as find out which one of them has the best Sharpe ratio. Okay, enough talking and let's get started. The estimated time needed for this challenge will be around 1 hour. You have to choose. You can either just follow my videos on how I hacked this challenge, otherwise you can do it by yourself. If you do it by yourself, there is 2 different levels. You can either choose the advanced level, which will be very challenging. You will have to develop your skills in terms of automations, in terms of how you can automate the task. Otherwise, there is the beginner level, which is more defined for people who have less experience on Python. Okay, may the peeps be with you, and let's get started and analyze our 4 different shares. In the first part, we are going to import raw packages, which are Pandas, NumPy, and Plotly. I believe at this point of the class you are able to import these packages without any help. Once you have achieved that, you will have to import the API library. In this case, that will be Pandas Data Reader, PDR, and the datem package. If you want to define it to have it by another way with a different API, you can make it as well. At the end of the day, that's going to be the same results. You will have maybe some small difference in terms of outputs, but overall, because of the name of the columns or other alternative, but overall that's going to be the same result. Once you upload these libraries, you will have to define your start and end date. Here I chose 1st January 2018 to the 1st of May 2020. I chose to analyze the 2 last years in order to stay relevant. Okay, and right now for the advanced level task, that will be very different from the beginner task. You will have to automate the process of importing data. That's something that we have not covered, and as I explained before, that's gonna be a challenge defined for people who already have experience on Python. Okay, first of all, you're gonna have to set up your tickers through a list of tickers. Once you set all the tickers for the different data that you want to upload, you will have to create different variables in order to different data frames with the sticker names, and which gonna upload the data from the 1st January 2018 to the 1st of May 2020. Essentially, instead of writing each time 1 line for each one of the stickers, just set your tickers and upload the data and store it in a data frame automatically. For instance, here we have Twitter data, or if you tap snap, you will have this data which is going to be automatically stored. And you can do it for instance for 10 different shares instead of having 10 different lines of code for downloading 10 different shares. You're just gonna set your ticker here, and at the end of the loop, that's gonna be set up in a new data frame. And on top of that, you will have as well to store it into a CSV file in order to keep track of the data that you upload. That's more due diligence task, but that's always good to have track of which data you upload in order, like for instance, if you make a lot of changes, you can find out if that's coming from the upload or that's coming for change that you have made afterwards. Okay, that's all for the advanced level task concerning this part 1. I hope you will enjoy this first part and see you in the next video in order to talk about data visualization challenge.